Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to have a look at the remake of the game Diggers, and that is available for macOS, Linux and Windows. So in this video I'm only going to look at the Linux version. Although I grew up in the time of the Commodore 64 and the Amiga, I don't think I ever played this game. And I think it was also available on MS-DOS, if I'm correct. Or at least on the PC. So I saw on Bluesky that the developer of this remake, that he invited people to test this. And that's what I did. So for the Linux version, this is a bit outdated, but it makes use of all these packages. But in the end, at least on Ubuntu, I needed this package, libglfw3, and also the package libopenal. But I think from here, perhaps, that the package names are actually outdated. So if we have a look here, so I tried to start it and then I got this error, libopenal.so.1. And as you can see here, I installed libopenal 1. So the package name is a bit different, or it has changed through the years. Now, if you run into any of the other packages, then I found this post, and here they said that you can see if any package has been installed yet with apt list. So if we take that here, you don't need to be sudo for that. And you can actually use a wildcard. So here you can see that libopenal 1 is installed. So if you run into an error, then let's just say just use this name, for instance libpng, and don't use the name that you see in the error. So for instance sudo apt libpng, so we'll use the wildcard. Oh, you don't need to be sudo, but oh man, I'm making a mess. So as you can see here, yeah, I think they added some version number, or I don't know exactly what. But like I said, just use these older names and add the star behind it. So that was about the packages. So you can download it, and so as you can see here, Ubuntu x64, So you can download that and then extract it. And then the easiest thing to do, especially the first time, is just start it from the terminal. Yep. But yeah, I already solved my issues, so it starts.
This is no ordinary day on the planet Zard. Today is the glorious 412th, the day that each year signals the commencement of one month.
So you can skip the intro. And here you can see a little bit what the gameplay is like. So you have to dig your way to treasure. So let's start it. And then we put our pointer over here so you can see that it changes the pointer. So this is where you can load and save files. But you start by going to the map, and I think this is the first level that you can play. Oh, there are more options, or there's 2 options. Oops. So let's go here, and then you have to pick your diggers. And then just go over that character, and then you can choose it, and then you can start the game. Now, yeah, I never played this game, so I had to get a little bit used to the controls, but with the keyboard 1 through 5 you can select one of these characters, and then with the right mouse button you can, for instance, say like, okay, just move, and then go back to the main menu, and then you can also hold. So in this case, let's just say we want them to dig in this direction. And then at certain points you can hold it. I'm not really sure if this is something or not. But like I said, I never played this game, but the developer of this remake, he is looking for people that want to test this game. So it doesn't need to be on Linux, it can also be on Mac and on Windows. So, but it's interesting to see that you also can play this on Linux, and in this case I am playing this on an Intel N100. So you don't even need a very powerful system to do this. So perhaps for some people this brings back memories, and for other people this might be just an interesting new game. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.